First, we log into the ECS shell interface, and then we use yum to install Radius and start the Radius service. Then we check the status of Radius service. It is running. And then we use local Radius as an client. And then the default port number is 6379. First, we will demonstrate some basic operations. First one, we can set the key user. We set key is user123 and value is Alice. After the command is executed, OK is returned, indicating that the adding is complete. And then we can check whether the key exists. We use exists to add the key. If 1 is returned, the key exists. If 0 is returned, it does not exist. Alternatively, we can query the specified key also. So we run the get user123 command, and then it's displayed the value Alice. And we can also use keys starts to check all the keys. Currently, only the user123 is available. And then let's look at the method of deleting the key value pair. We use del key to delete a key. Of course, for our following operations, we still add this key again. After the key is added, we can run the expire command to add the key to be set. The expiration time is in seconds. For example, here we set 180 seconds. And if 1 is returned, the setting is successful. Next, let's look at the remaining expiration time of the key using the TTL command. And now you can see that there are 163 seconds left. After that, let's demonstrate how to switch the database. We can run the select command to select the database. And here 1 to 15 indicates the database sequence number. And here we switch to database 1. The ID of database 1 is displayed here. Then we use the move key to move to the key to another database. Here we move key user123 to database 1. If the operation is successful, 1 is returned. Next, look at the number of keys in the database, and we use DB size to see the number of keys in the current database, which is very useful for monitoring the size of the database. If 0 is returned, the key has expired. And here we can create the key value again and check the command output. It's turned to 1. And then we run the flush db command to clear the current database. and then we run the dbSize command again. The return value is 0. All key value pairs in the current database are cleared. To avoid data loss, perform after confirming that the information is correct. So through the preceding demonstration, we not only learn how to use radius command, but also experienced their functions in data management. Flexible use of these commands in actual applications will greatly improve your radius operation efficiency and data management capabilities.